Alright guys, gals, friends, family, Steve Patton with General Patton Bushcraft back with you with another video. Today's video is how to install that 12 by 12 shade sail over your raised garden bed out here in the middle of the desert. I'm in Apache Junction, Arizona. This is how you have to dress out here, friends. Alright, stay tuned. Alright friends, we're installing the 12 by 12 Vagaro shade sail. Sun is brutal out here. We're setting a record out here in Arizona. This is the third week of an excessive heat wave warning, and we just keep on right on rolling at the prepping at the old homestead. I got severe hardpan out here, and I'm going to show you guys how to install these posts bushcraft style. Alright, stay with me. Alright friends, my tie down rope's going to sit right in that channel. Alright friends, I got one of these post drivers, special tool. Makes this job real easy. You hammer the post in. Boom, boom. Okay, like that. Let's grab our post. We got our hole started in this hard pan. Right in there. Okay, all we're going to do now is take the other end of the triangle, this 12 by 12 shade sail, take this little D-ring, take this nylon rope, use the channel that we cut in this post, tie that shade sail up to the last third post, and we should be done. Alright, stay tuned for the final product. Alright friends, there you have it. That's the 12 by 12 Vagaro shade sail. That's a triangle shape. I used the Silky Gum Boy Outback Edition to cut my channels in my wood posts. I used my handheld post driver. Makes the job a whole lot easier. There it is friends, all installed. Got a nice shade on my raised garden bed. That thing just glides in the wind. Alright friends, thanks for stopping by the channel. Before you leave, please consider subscribing. Bang that bell icon in that drop down menu. Do select all friends so you get notified of my next video. Give the video a like, and as always, God is good, God is great. I'll see y'all on the next video. It's already got a date.